finally leaving Calipe.
Yeah, after 1 month.
Has it really been a month already?
Almost.
Oh my gosh. Time to move on and get ready for our Maldives passage. We're getting ready up to Phuket.
So we finally left Calipe after a month and we're heading back north. And today we're just having an absolute dream sail. It's perfect.
The Amel 54 is a 16-meter blue water cruising yacht designed to cross every ocean in comfort and safety.
Welcome on Skylark, our Amel 54. I'm a little thirsty. I'm gonna grab a beer. Leo Singa Chang Singa. So the galley, one of the most important parts on our boat, because that's where we keep our beer. We have a fridge and 2 freezers. This is a deep freezer. And we have another deep freezer underneath this sofa in the saloon. We have a 4-burner stove and an oven as well. Again, important, our Nespresso machine for the morning. This is our water maker control panel. Our water maker is capable of turning salt water into fresh drinkable water at a rate of 180 liters per hour. Is it next, or what's the next one?
I don't know.
Okay, follow me. In our passageway we have a bunk, and underneath here we have our batteries.
Under the passageway bunk is Skylark's house battery bank, consisting of 12 individual 12-volt AGM batteries. The batteries are wired in series pairs equaling 6 pairs for a 24-volt system. Each battery has a capacity of 115 amp hours, giving our bank a total capacity of 690 amp hours. Also under the bunk is our Victron MPPT solar charge controller. Skylark is equipped with 1290 watts of solar power, which is vital to keeping our house bank charged.
We have a few souvenirs from various places. New Year's Eve. And the master cabin, we have a queen-size walk-around bed, and we have a vanity over here. This is great for doing makeup, hair, whatever. Lots of closet space. On the Amel 54, it's a big closet, fits lots. I get this closet, Chris is on the other side. It's pretty big still, but not quite as big. A few shirts. Down here below we have a scale. That's to see if we have too much beer and Thai food. It's quite spacious. We have a full shower, the hatch above, and our heads are all electric. They're great when they work.
This is our nav station. This is where we navigate. Furuno NavNet 3D chart plotter here at the nav station. Access to our radar, so we can select the radar and then turn it on, and you can see all the other boats around you. Radio, GPS, B&G wind data is right here. SSB, and of course the radio for music.
It's a saloon. This is where we drink beer when it rains.
Speaking of beer, I think I need another one.
And we also just ordered a karaoke machine and a projector, so it's gonna be a karaoke studio soon.
Rocket Man, turning down the river.
about Amel. This bulkhead, along with the one in the aft cabin, is watertight. Say we hit something in the ocean, close this door. And then there are 3 stopcocks right here that we have to close. One comes from the bow thruster compartment, the anchor chain locker, and one from the shower. And that screws onto the door just to make the seal extra tight. This whole front area can be flooded and the boat will still stay afloat. Unsinkable like the Titanic. On this boat, all the sail controls are done right here on this little panel. For a head sail, we'll pull that out and run the winch at the same time. Beneath the waterline is just as important as what's on deck. Skylark is equipped with a Brunson's auto prop which automatically feathers when sailing. This can reduce its drag by up to 85%. We draw 2.1 meters beneath the surface and of course have a Boeing 787 painted on our keel, which of course needs continuous cleaning to keep the marine growth away. Skylark is also equipped with a full Skeg-hung rudder. Perhaps one of the most important things on board is our 30-kilo Wasi anchor holding our home firmly in place. Another great feature on Amel yachts is the retractable bow thruster. The thruster is rated at a massive 8,000 watts. Come over here, have a look how we use that. It actually retracts and it goes up and down, as Jen showed you in the water. So to use it, we just turn it on and lower. So it's simple with this joystick. I go to port, we push to port, starboard, starboard.
Sailing yacht, meaning she has 2 masts, a mizzen and a main. Both sails have in-mast furling. Skylark is also equipped with a staysail for bad weather conditions. Both the Genoa and the staysail have electric furling. Our anchor is connected to 100 meters of chain, which is brought up by a 2,000 watt Lumar windlass. This is our forward sail locker. In here we keep our Gennaker, which we use for light downwind sailing. Skylark has a deep center cockpit and a hard dodger. This keeps you dry and secure no matter what the conditions are. Beneath our cockpit, we have a dedicated engine room. This is unique to a boat of this size.
Well, I think we saved the best for last. This is our engine room. Inside this engine room, we have almost every single system that's on the boat. So we have our Volvo Penta 110 horsepower engine. We have our strainer, a single seawater intake, bilge pump, air conditioning pump, freshwater pump, low pressure pump for the water maker, high pressure pump for the water maker membranes, 2 battery chargers, 11 kilowatt generator, and a hot water heater. There's a lot more that could be said about this engine room and all the systems in here, but we'll get into that, I think, on another video. So yeah, that's it.
Next time on Outside Watch, we undertake many projects to prepare Skylark and ourselves to set off across the Indian Ocean.